Hello everyone. In this video, we will be focusing on the sixth phase of SDLC, which is maintenance. The maintenance phase is the final and longest phase of the software development lifecycle, SDLC. It begins after the software is successfully deployed and delivered to the customer. The primary goal of this phase is to ensure that the software continues to function correctly, remains up to date, and adapts to changing user and business needs. There are four main types of maintenance. 1. Corrective maintenance fixes bugs and defects discovered after the software is released. These issues may not have been identified during testing and need immediate attention to avoid disrupting user operations. 2. Adaptive maintenance involves making necessary adjustments to the software to keep it compatible with changing technologies, such as new operating systems, browsers, hardware, or external APIs. 3. Perfective maintenance focuses on improving the software's performance, usability, and efficiency by adding new features or enhancing existing functionalities based on user feedback or evolving business requirements. 4. Preventive maintenance aims at identifying and correcting latent faults in the software before they become serious issues. It enhances the software's reliability and future maintainability. During the maintenance phase, the development team monitors the software's performance, provides user support, releases patches, and updates documentation. This phase is essential for extending the software's life, maintaining user satisfaction, and ensuring the product evolves with the organization's goals and external changes. In summary, the maintenance phase plays a critical role in the SDLC by sustaining and improving the software after its release, ensuring its continued success in a dynamic environment. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe.